Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are going to have a look at the natural gas chart. We are going to have a look at where it's traded over the week and where it could be potentially be heading over the coming few days. Okay, so looking at the long-term view, we can see we're quite low on natural gas price. We've taken a bounce off the 2,500. We are now at 3,281. Could we head higher? There is something I've spotted on this chart, which I will now go into, and let's see what we can discover. So let's go into the daily. So as you can see, it looks like we might have an inverse head and shoulder pattern that's formed. And you could potentially say is a cup and handle as well. So you've got this rounded form and then you've got a handle, both indicating that natural gas could be potentially be heading much higher in price. So where could it go? So let's just get our measuring tools, and what we'll do, we'll measure from the bottom to the point right here. And then what we'll do is going to drag this up. So the break point, if it breaks, will be right there. Okay. So if you measure from this point to that point, drag it across. If it breaks, that tells you natural gas could potentially end up at 4,340, 350 price. And if you also look at it, if I just draw this in, if I go from point to point, so right here, okay, we've got a few points on here. So you've got this area here, which last time it came in, hit this point here, formed a support, bounced up, came back in, then it dropped below it. Okay, then you had this point here where it tried to find some sort of resistance, tried to break above it, couldn't, and dropped below and fell quite sharply. But as you can see, if we can find some sort of price action, increase in price, and if it does go up, we know 4,350 is an area that we might have some sort of resistance before pulling back. Okay, so if we just keep an eye on this inverse head and shoulder, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's go into the 1 hour quickly. So we are just going to keep an eye out for the inverse head and shoulder. We know if we break this 3,450, 3,460, we could be on for a nice price action, heading much higher on the natural gas price. Okay, that will conclude the price and charting of natural gas for today. If you like the video, if you can like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification so if our next video is released, you can be notified. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now. Bye bye.